The project Aquashield. Thousands have lived without love, not one without water. Chief Seattle once said, "Take only memories, leave nothing but footprints." But nowadays, a lot of people leave lot of things with footprints along the water sources such as canals, water tanks and lakes. In the present, water pollution is one of the major problems in the world. Water pollution can be caused in a number of ways. One of the most polluting being city sewage and industrial waste. Human sewage is a main source of water pollution. If people do not change soon, many living beings could be lost to the world in the future due to the lack of clean water. So, we chose to find a solution to this problem because quick actions must be taken to this problem before humans and living beings are suffered. Cleaning services and environmental organizations are already using garbage scows, tap boats and canals to collect garbage. Many environmental organizations take huge efforts to collect garbage near reservoirs by boats and canals. Some organizations have used swimmers to collect the waste. Manpower is used extensively for that. Even if we take these waste, there is no systematic garbage disposal. These actions have not yet been successful. So, we need to introduce an efficient method for waste disposal systems that abandons these difficult endeavors. So, in this project, Aquashield, we introduce a waste collecting machine to collect the waste which accumulated on water surfaces.
As you can see, this is the conceptual design we came up with. This is a machine we can use to clean solid waste which are floating on the water surface. Also, we can store the waste on the container until they are being disposed properly. Now, let's move on to functional decomposition diagram. We have a rotating system that helps to transfer the waste, and then we have a waste storing section which will help to store the waste. Also, we have used the ergonomic design to be user-friendly and easy to handle in the machine. Finally, there is a floating system as well with the propeller rear of the machine so that it can sail.
Here are some views of our collector. Top view, bottom view, side view, conveyor belt, belt functioning area, and container. The volume of the container is 20 cubic decimeters. The collected waste will accumulate to the container. Here's the operating area of our collector. A person can move the collector to the right direction which garbage has accumulated using the handle provided.
Moving into principles applied and energy transfer. We have used a conveyor belt with a surface friction which will help to move the waste through the belt. Also, we have used upward thrust to float this machine. Further, Newton's law of motion as well. When we supply power to the machine, it converts electrical energy to kinetic energy. Electrical motors provide the power to function the conveyor belt. The system, which has built with chain drives and cogwheels, releases the power, which absorbed by the motors to function the belt continuously. The raw materials are used fiberglass, iron bars, cogwheels, electrical motor, power supply unit and chain drives. There are several ways to stop the device from rusting because it is constantly in the water. Here the parts exposed to the oxygen can be galvanized. Also for motors we can stop getting rust using oil and spraying onto them. Further, we can put oil on the cogwheels to prevent them from paying off. Also, the part exposed to air and water we can be coated with zinc oxide to prevent corrosion.
People are trying to clean solid waste which are directly added to the water going by on boats and collect the waste using some nets and their hands. Also, we have seen that some organizations hold companions to clean the polluted areas like canals, beach, rivers, because most of them polluted by solid waste. So, it can be cleaned with manpower. For this, we have come with a solution to the clean solid waste which are in canals, rivers and anywhere filled with solid waste and water. As our project, we decided to start cleaning from canals which are filled with solid waste. As you can see, this is the animated video of our machine. We can clean solid waste faster and easily using our machine without using manpower. It collects the waste automatically and stores in the container. Also, in this video, we have not included the container because our purpose of this animated video to show the mechanism of our machine.
There are two motors to run the machine through the surface of water and function the belt. The belt continues to function. The waste that collects to the belt continues to transfer on the belt and then will move to the container at the back. Moreover, we have added the blade to the front of this machine to reach the areas easily where the garbage is collected. It separates the garbage from the unwanted mosses and plant varieties which lives in the surface of water, and it helps to easily collect the waste onto the belt without any aquatic plants.
The belt is tilted 20 degrees horizontally, and once the garbage is collected, the belt is completely clean when reassembled. Here's a small structure to you to understand that how the waste moves on the belt. The waste will accumulate to the container. Every person on earth needs water to survive. Without it, many of us would get sick and even result in death. Protecting water is important because our existence depends on it. So, action must be taken to save life on earth. That is our main purpose and intention. Let's save water to save millions of lives. We work together as a team to accomplish this project. Our team members are PEIRIS, LIYANAGE, Randilunda Silva, SIRIWARDENA, SILVA. We would like to express our sense of gratitude to our lecturers in this module, Professor Chandana Pereira, Mr. Madhav Herath, our instructor, Ms. Aushadhi Hiranya, and Mr. Aushadha Gamage.